This is what the Quran confirm. I will give this guy one more time call. If not, here we go.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello, Christian Prince.
Yes, my friend. Did you hear the video we are playing?
Not entirely. Actually, I was busy with my mother. So
We,
you
we
can
are
hear me well,
we
right?
are playing a video of Sheikh Uthman saying Muhammad was not Abrahamic.
See, that part very slightly I saw,
Yeah.
not the whole part. First of all, English is not my mother language, and I hope you can understand what I'm trying to say.
No problem. Go ahead.
See, I found your video, I saw your video, which you are just doing live right now.
Hmm.
And I found that you're doing pick and choose and you're filling the blanks in a wrong way intentionally.
I'm doing
And
what? I'm doing what?
see, you were explaining a verse of Quran, right?
Right.
Let's say, and uh, you're filling the, missing, like filling the words between the words incorrectly, purposely,
How
intentionally.
is
You're
that? Like,
doing wrong.
okay, I want you to read with me. I will give you, I will give you a verse, and I want you to read it for me. You
See,
read.
okay, just now you were explaining the verse in which if you were discussing a matter, if
Okay, let us go to
O
that
prophet
one.
you have
Okay,
a
if.
doubt,
Okay, if.
you have a doubt
All right.
about that, right?
Okay, explain it to me.
Okay,
Go ahead.
first of all, let me ask you one thing. Let me ask you one thing.
All right.
Is this verse, in this verse, is Allah Pak only referring to Prophet Muhammad,
Yes.
or is it for entire mankind?
No, for Muhammad only.
Why? Because Quran is for everyone, is for me. That verse is also for me.
No,
If I have a doubt, if
no,
you have a
no,
doubt, or
no,
if
no,
anyone has
no,
have a
no,
doubt.
no, my friend.
Yeah, this is
Don't,
how
don't, don't
Muslims
give me a
take
speech.
each and
Okay,
every
okay.
single. Listen.
Listen, no, you
Let me
listen.
explain.
Don't
Now,
waste
let
my
me
time.
explain
No,
my
don't
point of view.
explain.
Then
Don't explain. Don't
you can comment
explain.
on it,
Don't
whether I'm right or
explain. No,
wrong.
no,
You
no,
can
no, 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 no.
prove it.
I don't want to waste
You
time.
will have a chance
All your
to
scholars,
explain
all your
your point, but you
scholars,
have to listen to me first, now.
all your scholars
Without
says
listening to
this
me,
is
how can
about
you
Muhammad.
comment
No,
on my comment?
I want you to get me
That is
busted.
wrong. That is
I
your problem.
want you
You
to
are
get
not
me.
listening to anyone.
I am
You
listening.
always
I'm
cutting
listening.
everyone.
You are wasting your time. Where's my
You
time? I'm asking
always
you.
cut
I'm
everyone.
asking
You
you.
have to let me explain my point, then you
No,
can
this
explain your
I
point.
don't care
No
for your
problem.
point. I don't
I will
care for your
listen to you. I will
I
give you
don't
time.
care for your point. I'm asking you.
If you
Do
don't
you
care,
have
then
a
why
proof?
should I care about you?
No,
You are not
I want you to give me a
allowing
proof.
me to explain my
Do
point.
you have a proof that this is not only about Muhammad?
Sorry, what do you mean?
Sorry, so you see, listen to me, so I can talk and you
See,
can
you're
talk. Do
misbehaving
you
now.
have a
You're
proof?
misbehaving
Do
now.
you have a proof? Do
This
you
is your
have a
Christian
proof?
love. This is a
Listen,
love you learned from Jesus.
listen. Do you have a proof that
You
this is
talk about love,
only?
you
Yes,
Christians talk about love,
this is
and this is
what
how
I
you
learned
love.
from Jesus.
See, this is the main core
I
of your
get you
belief, the love
busted. I
everyone, the
get you
love your
busted.
neighbor. This is your
So I'm
love.
asking you, do you have a proof that this verse is only about Muhammad, not about Muhammad?
Yes, each and every single verse of Quran is for entire
Give me the
mankind, not
proof.
for only a specific
Give me
person.
the proof that
Whoso,
this is not
for
about
whosoever the
this
verse
is
fits
not
well,
about Muhammad
it should be
only. Give
applied for
me
that person. If
Zak
anyone
an
has,
egg.
it
Zak
means,
an egg.
see,
See,
you
don't
misbehaving. You are a Christian. You're supposed to
I
love
am a
everyone,
Christian.
right?
I'm getting
Why
you
you
busted.
misbehaving?
Okay, do you accept to go and
Am I
read? Do
misbehaving
you
with you?
accept to go and read
I'm
the
just trying to
interpretation?
explain my point,
Potato, do you accept
and
to
you're
go?
misbehaving with me.
You are the one as a kid. I'm asking
Have
you.
I said
Do
any wrong
anyone,
word or any wrong phrase
my
about you?
friend, you
That
stupid,
you are
you
this guy or
stupid, you
that guy?
stupid,
No.
you stupid. You read the screen, it says
You are a
you.
misbehaving
Stupid,
person.
stupid.
You
Listen,
are a person who misbehaves.
so if you,
You
oh
don't want to
Muhammad,
have a nice
do you
conversation. You don't want to
see,
have a nice discussion with
I am
anyone
not here to have
because
nice
you know
conversation.
that you
I am
cannot
here
answer
to make
anyone.
everybody
Any
laugh.
Muslim who has a knowledge.
I'm here to make
I'm
everybody
not
laugh.
saying I'm someone who has a
Can
knowledge,
you read the
but
verse?
I'm 100% sure you cannot answer any.
Abdul,
Okay,
can
you
you?
about Usman, Sheikh
Okay.
Usman.
Can you read the
You're doing
verse?
cut and choose.
Can
No,
you
you
read the
stopping his
verse?
video for
Can you
every
read
second, and you trying to
Can you stupid son of Muta?
explaining
Can
his words in a wrong way.
can you read the verse?
Why you cutting the videos?
Because I
Why you
can
stopping at each
I
and every single second and
because I have to make a
telling?
comment. I have
See,
to make a comment.
this is why he's telling
Abdul
around. This is
Potato.
what he's
Can you read
saying
the
around.
verse? Can you read the verse in the front of your screen?
Which verse? Tell me the
The
number.
verse you are talking about.
Tell me the number. Now I don't
So
remember
you
by heart.
stupid, you are calling me. You do not know what verse you are talking about?
Oh my God.
Don't
So
say, oh my
you
God,
mean
say, oh my
I'm
Allah.
God? I
So
should
you,
know each and every single verse of Quran,
no,
or in
but you
fact
call me to
about
talk.
everything.
You
If I'm
stupid.
asking
You
you to tell
stupid.
me na, why
You
you
stupid. You call
why
me
you
to
not
talk
telling
about
me?
it. You
Are you afraid of
stupid.
something?
You stupid. You call me to
I
talk
have not
about it.
memorized the
You
Quran, entire
stupid.
Quran by
You
heart.
called me
So
to
I'm
talk.
asking you, is it what's
You
the problem in that?
you stupid. You
You know,
called me
you're
to
doing,
talk
you know,
about it.
any tiny things. You're complaining about tiny things. You're
Abdul.
doing
Are you
you're
pregnant?
filling
Are you
the
pregnant?
between the
Listen.
two words in the wrong
Are you
way.
in the delivery room? Can you read the verse in front of you?
Tell me the verse number.
It's in front of your screen.
No, I have not opened in front of my screen in YouTube.
Yes, in front of your screen. Yeah, on YouTube.
Wait,
Okay, read it.
wait. My YouTube is closed.
Okay, open YouTube.
Why don't you tell me the number?
I'm not going to tell you. It's a secret.
Because I want to open in my own language, na. That is why.
Your language? In your language. No, we are speaking English here. Read it there, in front of you.
Where my English is, very bad.
Hmm.
YouTube is taking time.
Okay.
It's browsing.
Hmm.
Not running.
It's okay. Say
Tell me the
inshallah.
verse number.
Come on, man. Just read it.
I can't see now. Yeah, 94. Which surah is it?
Read the verse.
So if you ignore I will ignore the brackets. Okay. If you
Ignore
are
the
in
bracket.
doubt.
Okay, get lost, stupid son of Muta. Brother, sister, ignore the bracket. So the Muslim, they say it is Muhammad, but it's not Muhammad. Ignore the bracket. So I was a liar a second ago, but it's you. It's your translation, you stupid son of Muta. You stupid, you donkey. Anyone who speaks Arabic will notice it says فَإِن كُنْتَ. Kunta is for individual, not for everybody. Kunta, you in Arabic is not the same as in English. In English, you can say you for everybody, a group or one person. In Arabic, when you say kunta, it is one person. Kuntum is a group. And we can go and read the interpretation. So when you say, this is not about Muhammad, this is about everybody. So why you Muslim put Muhammad there? Let us say for the sake of argument, Christian Prince is not telling the truth. Why you Muslim, you put Muhammad, ignore the between bracket. I will ignore you too. I just put you between the bracket and I send you to Allah. And I'm sure you cannot answer any of the questions of Sheikh Othman. Or give me